All right, guys, what is up? Here we're at the second sunflower plot. It's really not looking that great either. It's been 16 days. We planted it May 1st. It's May 16th right now, but they're just at the little two-leaf stage. Not too bad, so there's a couple bare spots, but you can see it better uniform down the row, coming down the row right here, so perfect spacing. Just use a Kinsey corn planter, so hopefully they come up a lot better than the first plot we went to. But yeah, they look pretty good, just coming up. Looks pretty good, so can't wait to see a field full of sunflowers. Hopefully they make it and come through. It looks like they could use a little rain, but not too much rain, I think, so. But yep, we'll just have to see what happens. They look good though. A lot better than the first plot we have for sunflowers, so. Be a good time this September. Hopefully we can get a lot of doves in here and hunt them. So we'll just have to see. I figured being closer to the edge there'd be more popping up because it was wetter over here when we planted them, but it doesn't look like that's the case, so we'll just have to see. See what happens. Yeah, I figured right here. Oh, here's a weed. We'll get him pulled. Don't need him coming up. Yeah, see, I figured there'd be more right here. Dang, maybe it was just a little too wet. Here's a little bit of corn that was in the planter. That was left over. It's popped up. So yeah, second plots, it looks a little bit better than the first one. I don't think we'll have to replant this one. I hope not anyways, so hopefully we get a pretty good stand. And we'll just see what happens. So it's just farming for you. Nothing's easy about farming, so we'll just have to see what happens and go from there. Got a nice little dirt pile over here. Probably gonna put a dub power line wire along the edge of this field right here, so they got something to sit on. They can come down. I really should just put it on that tree over there. Well, I guess I could put it on. I could put one post over here and then just connect it to one of these trees along here, maybe, but I have to make sure I get it up high enough. I don't know, we'll see what happens. We'll see what we decide to do, so we'll just see. But yeah, they look pretty good. There's two little guys right there, so we'll just see what happens. That's Sunflower Plant 2021, May 1st. Got it in the ground, so hopefully they keep coming up and doing good. So just have to see. We're out. Keep watching for more updates on the sunflowers. Hopefully I can get down here and take another video and let you know how they're doing. So hopefully they keep doing good. We'll see you later. All right, guys, what is up? We're back at the sunflower patch. Here I'm right about in the middle, it seems like. There's my truck over there. And I say we're gonna have a pretty good stand. They're all probably about, knee high, I'd say, around there. So we planted them May 1st, and it is June 11th, so a month and 11 days they've been in the ground. So they're looking really, really good. But yeah, we should have a good stand for dove hunting this year, and they should be looking pretty here before long, so can't wait. Here's some cockaburs right here. Get rid of them. And dang things, they're a pain. But yeah, here's an update on sunflowers. They're looking pretty good. About knee high. It's been a month. It's out here pulling some cockaburs, getting them to die. But yeah, looks pretty good. Can't wait. I'll get another update whenever I come back down here and do another video. So can't wait to see them get taller and mature. We'll catch you guys later.